Am I streaming? Oh, I am. Wait, am I? Oh, I'm streaming. Okay. Can make this quieter. Oh, I'm streaming. Okay. Oh my god. Why did the OBS crash? I go back here. Da-da-dum. Grab this. Hello. Oh my god, you guys are here. Pop-out chats. Hello. I'm very unprepared. Oh my god. Video. Then I need... No, it's in stuff folder. Stuff. Video tube mini. There we go. Get the shit out of here. Windows. No. Where's the thing? Display capture? No. It's you. No, that's not me! That's not me. This is me. Okay, cancel? What the heck? Why is it not blurry? Dude, where's my blur? Dude, where's my blur thing? Oh my god, it breaks when I, every stream starts like this? No, only most of them at this point. I can't get chat on stream. Why not? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Whatever. Video capture, where is it? Is it just display capture again? I don't remember. No, it's not display capture. How do I get that out of here? Which one is that? Delete. How do I delete this? Come on. Remove. Yes. Is the music too loud? I can't tell. There we go. Dun dun. It's window capture, right? Chrome pop out. Oh, there it is. Oh my god. There it is. There we go. Okay. So for today, I don't really have a plan. I haven't streamed in a while. So I was like, why not? Why not start streaming? What are the things I want to do? One of the big things is I really want to address how the game works. Because I haven't touched the game too much since the last update, or last time I streamed. What do I need to do again? First off, new scoring system, because I'm kind of done with how this game is scored. I think it's not good. I don't think it's good. It's just something about it that just like kind of sucks. Nobody likes you. Aww. That's okay. That's okay. Thanks for giving me the engagement. I appreciate that. But yeah, I'm trying to figure this out. I think... Hello. Hi. I recognize you. I know you. Oh god. I've been editing a ton of videos. I've been applying to jobs, dude. Applying to jobs sucks. It sucks so much. Does this game work? Oh, it doesn't summon bombs though. Why is it not summoning bombs? Row timer? Where's POW timer? Jobs? I don't have one right now. I'm trying. Is this HTML? It is not. This is in GameMaker. I'm exporting to Windows only. Sorry, it's not a web game. It is like, the game is tiny, so you could probably play it on a potato on the bright side. But yeah, I kind of want to have it, but like the thing is like, I want the game to be on Steam, so there's no point in making an HTML5 build, right? Imagine not still being in Unity. I am still in uni. It's just that it's summer break right now. It's summer break right now. Wait, do you not? Yeah, so there's no point in making HTML5 and it's like buggy as hell. Wait, Bridge, are you like, when you say in uni, you mean like literally doing school, right? Like as in right now? You haven't even had finals? Oh, that's so weird. Dude, I'm Canadian. They're in a couple weeks. I had mine a bit ago. I think I did okay on them, hopefully. Hopefully I did okay on them. I don't know. I think I got my grade back, but I do this thing where I just never look at my grades because I'm too scared. So I kind of just don't know my grades most of the time. It is trash. It is trash. HTML5 is bad. It's so buggy. I don't know why it's so buggy. Like, you make something, it's beautiful, it's great, and then it just decides not to work. I hate it. Ugh. Yeah. Hello. Hello, hello. I don't know, man. I think the upshifting, it feels a bit weird, but honestly, I might settle on it for now, just because I think it's fine. It's like the first divisive change I made to the game. Not sure how it's gonna go. Hello, Mitch McCunningham. That's a cool name. There we go. What else needs to be done? I think, yeah, the scoring system needs work. I think it's based off score. Okay, so score, the difficulty of the game is based off your score currently, right? And that makes sense. But I kind of want to decouple difficulty with score because I want a way to cheat the system, you know what I mean? Where, like, if you're really good, you could what was I gonna say? You know what I'm gonna say? You could, like, get more score in less time, I guess. Kind of like in Tetris, where it's based off time. That's how it's Maika? Oh, it is. Damn, I didn't even get close to this. I didn't even get close to pronouncing that right, huh? But yeah, in Tetris, your score is based, the difficulty is based off time, where score is based off how the breaks you do, right? So you can cheat the score to get more score per less time by doing by doing the 4 breaks instead of the, like, whatever you do, right? I really like that. I really like that design. So I think difficulty is now gonna scale with number of blocks broken instead of, what's it called? Dude, I cannot think right now. I'm so sorry. I cannot think right now. Dude, I was editing videos last night. Mispronounced, not the first one to mispronounce your name. It's okay. Maika Cunningham. Yeah, okay, I think I got it. I think I got it. Yeah, I just want to really decouple score and time, because I think cheating the system to get more score per time is really interesting. And I think difficulty being based off broken blocks is the correct route to achieve that. Oh, I recognize you. Extreme, thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I'm happy you guys came back. I haven't streamed in like a week because I was tired in EP and really burnt out from applying to jobs. I hate doing it. It sucks. Boss fight? I do want boss fight, but the problem is that boss fight takes art and this game needs to be small. I'm sorry. The game has to be small. Maybe I could do something with like unfinished art and then just promise to do it in the future, but I don't really want to do that. You know what I mean? I think that has its own issues of, like, now people have expectations for art, and now the artist has to do art that isn't gonna perform. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like, it's awkward. I just don't think there's a route. I just don't see a route that isn't like getting another artist to work on this game. And I just want this game to be small. I just want, you know what I mean? I have 2 other games I am procrastinating on by making my 3rd game. This game is almost done. I just want to get it through. Do I use unused block textures as a boss? Oh, maybe. No, I can't use anything from Bug because then I would have to compensate and pay them because I just don't want to use their art without doing that, right? And I am going to make money off this game, so sadly I cannot do that. That would be cool, though. That would be cool. That's another reason why I don't want to have more artists, is that, like, I am already probably not going to make that much money off this game. I would like to make some like I don't I'm not like a you know what I mean, you know what I mean, like I would like to lose less money working on this relative to having a normal job. You know what I mean, you know what I mean, right? Yeah. And like and image blend special blocks finished or submitted the year 3 dissertation. Oh my god, hard exams and 4th year, dude, that's brutal. Good luck with that, Bridge. I'm out here making games not for the grades, just for the sake of it. Dude, actually, like doing a game for your dissertation is sick. It's so cool. It's actually so sick. Oh my god. Yeah, good luck with that. Learn to do your own art. Honestly, I regret quitting drawing a lot. I wish I committed to that skill. The problem is I'm just not that passionate about art relative to the other stuff. So I knew, it's a whole thing. It's a lot of problems. Special blocks. Yeah, I could do that. Make boss art blocks with angry faces drawn over them. Maybe, no, I mean like blocks that you use when you didn't put faces on them. Pose the image blend for bosses, maybe. I don't know, they're just like, I could figure something out, maybe. I don't know. It's just a lot. It's just a lot. Final for a computer science class? Dude, that's sick. Dude, Undertale is so well designed. Oh my god, I love that game. Like, I don't think there's a single I've talked about this before, but I really don't think there's a single metric that Undertale is like outright bad in, which is crazy. Like, I think the Undertale combat system is like surprisingly really well designed, and like no one talks about it. Music is good, story is good. I like the art style. I think the art style is nice. Just a really well made game. Oh my god. I think Toby Fox was about my age when he was like, when he worked on Undertale. So now I am sad because that game was a huge inspiration for me. I was like, oh shoot, I have to make my Undertale, except I can't write or make music. Oh no, I quadrupled down on design skills. Ugh, that's okay. That's okay. Feels like a random difficulty spike. It's a great game. But usually, okay, people clown on the code. It's not even that bad. Like, it's fine. Like, the game doesn't have bugs. The game doesn't run poorly. And like, while it's not good, I wouldn't really call it bad either. It's kind of just like okay code. I feel like people clown on it just because like it's funny, which to be fair it is. But like, I feel like when I see like the dumb hacks he does, like, let's be real. Like, who hasn't done that kind of stuff? Like, you don't know the name of the file, so you just put every possible combination of it into the game. I don't know. It's endearing. It's endearing. It's endearing. I feel like this is like the... No, I shouldn't say that. However, my fight is bad. Undertale boss fight? Your fight was bad. You think 7,000 switch case? Okay, that was not good. But like, I feel like the worst part of that is like it's annoying to work with and not like performance stuff. You know what I mean? Like, that'd be pretty annoying to work with. But like, it wasn't that bad. You know what I mean? Like, I'd do something like that. I'd do something like that. It wasn't that bad. It's not good, but why are the yellow bricks nerds? No idea. Yeah, I feel like in that case, the priority is just like, is it annoying to work with? Because you're gonna be stuck with it for so long, it needs to be like not annoying to work with. And if it, I can't really, because I haven't like made a system like that. Maybe I have a similar system in my card game, and it's annoying in that game, so I'm assuming it's annoying for him too. Hey, game looks really fun. Message retracted. What did you say? Let's use switch cases, aka state 1 moves to state 2. Oof. Nice. I mean, if it gets the job done. Nice. Things are starting to speed up. I've seen. But I've seen your code. Come on, man. It works, okay? It works. It doesn't lag. It's not annoying to work with. What other metric? What other metric do we have? I'm not showing this to anyone else. It works, okay? That's all that matters. Better than Source Engine? Yeah. Actually, I don't know that much about the Source Engine code. Is it that bad? I assume it's like, it's made by Valve, so I assume it's like not terrible. Oh, but it is old. What Toby said. It worked. Dude, if it works, it works. Like, what else are you gonna say about it, man? Like, it works. It do be working. Like 3 layers of... No, I was reading a comment. No! That's okay. Oh, yeah. Picture holding TF2 together. Yeah, I know there's like some... I've seen some videos on like the jank in TF2. Like, the jank in that game is crazy. Oh, dude, oh, that's so hard to do. You can't do that anymore. I'm kind of okay with that. I feel like the previous version of the game had too little restriction. You could kind of just go anywhere, grab any block. And I kind of want some restrictions, you know what I mean? I think that'd make the game a bit better. Not too much, just a little bit better. Nice. The coconut is false too. Yeah, it was debugging. It was real. What am I doing? Oh god, think. Never talk about SFM code. Is that one bad? I don't know anything about that. It can't be that bad. It's made by Valve. Oh, but it is made by Valve. Oh shoot. Oh, grab that. There we go. Man. So yeah, new score system. What else do I want to get done? Oh, no! Almost lost. Oh my god, that was close. That was close. I need the game to like do a countdown when that happens. So it makes it clear that like you're going to lose. Source fan made? What? Is it? Da-da-dum. Dude, oh, it's fine. I almost lost. But if that didn't work, I'm lost. That would have been bad. Yeah. But yeah, I think, what else is there? I have a script for a video I'm working on. that I'm struggling with. Okay, you know, have you ever been in a game design discussion or like seen a game design discussion and there's like a trigger word? There's like the magic word, you'll see it all the time, called make an option for it, where I feel like every design discussion ends with, yeah, guys, we should make an option to toggle the thing on and off. And it peeves me because they're just wrong. I think options, while really good, are massively overrated as a design thing or a solution to design problems. Like, they're good, don't get me wrong. Like, yeah, you should have a colorblind option in your game. You should have a whatever option in your game. But like, bruh, I've seen options for like the craziest things. And it does tilt me. It does tilt me a little. It does tilt me a little. I have no game design, but a lot of small features in the game like physical accuracy is play versus playability. Playability, what the heck? I mean, like, there's a time and place for options, but I feel like every design discussion ends with like, dang, we should add an option for blank instead of like, but like, if it's an option, now you have people doing things that like may not be ideal, you know what I mean? Like, I think like there's some games that definitely need like a lot of options, in like Minecraft, for example, where it's better to be flexible than to be rigid. But I think that rigidity is really, because like games are storytelling. Storytelling is about conflicts, whether big or small. And I feel like adding an option to some extent messes with the conflict of the story of the game, right? So in Minecraft's a bad example because it actually really needs all the flexibility. Minecraft's a really bad example. It's like the one game that, if anything, could use more options. Yeah, you see photons, physically is inaccurate. No, that's fair, that makes sense. I think it's fair. If like, you're fighting being realistic versus playability. But I mean in like difficulty options, where like everything needs a difficulty option, everything needs a whatever option. And it gets to the point where it's like, guy, like you need to like curate the experience that the player is gonna experience. And if you have options for everything, people will just curate bad experiences for themselves and be like, damn, this game sucks. You know what I mean? You didn't notify you. No, iFox. But yeah, I don't know. This is like the reason. This is why I'm struggling with the script so hard. Where it's like, it's really hard to convey, because the end result is like, oh, it depends, and I have to be vague, and I don't want to be vague. I really want to be specific with the conclusion at the end. But it's kind of impossible not to. You know what I mean? It's kind of hard not to be pretty vague, because there are games that need options. There are games that could use less. I think like, I'm gonna say Skyrim could use less? Maybe? No, that game could use more. I don't know, actually. I feel like Skyrim is such a weird game, where it like, it advertises itself as an RPG, but it plays like a sandbox, do whatever you want kind of experience. And then that kind of experience needs options out the ass, right? What game got detracted? That's my thesis. What game did get worse because of options lamau? I don't have an example off the top. That's definitely why I shouldn't make this video until I have an example of it that's like really good off the top of my head. Definitely shouldn't make this video. Very unrefined opinion I have. Ugh. Ish. Dude, this thing is speeding up fast. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. Oh god, the new scaling is crazy. I really want to settle on a score, because one of the reasons I haven't been. Oh, do you see the new Gura thing? Yes, I have. I'm happy for her. I'm really happy for her. I kind of want to make a fan game for her. But I feel like I shouldn't. It's too early. Okay. This is the minorest pet peeve. Minor's pet peeve. Literally no one else has this pet peeve except me. I am the only person with this pet peeve. When it comes to fan games, because Hololive fan games did really good, right? So they became meta. So there was this brief period where like every time a new Hololive member would be announced and they would debut, there was a bunch of people who were like, oh, I gotta make a fan game for this fast. I gotta be first to make a fan game for them. And like, I don't blame them. I want to do the same thing. But I feel like it comes off as a little disingenuous at times. Because it's like, you don't, when you make fan work of someone, it's because you like them, you know? You're expressing, you know what I mean? Like, you're expressing that through the game, through the art. And I feel like if they just debuted, it's like, bro, what do you even know about them? Like, I feel like a VTuber isn't their real personality for the first, like, 2 months. For the first 2 months, you're watching, like, the nervous, awkward version of them, not the real version of them, you know? So it's like, you gotta wait a little, man. Gotta wait. But I'm a victim of, not a victim, you know what I mean? I do the same thing too. Like, I also think about making fan games. Shoot. Ah! Oh, it's Jover. It's so Jover. Ah! Wait. Oh, I can live by upthrowing? That's sick. Wait, you can upthrow blocks out of existence to stall? That's so funny. No, I lost. Yeah. Okay, arachnophobia setting is fine though. I actually think that's fine. Because it's like, if we turn the arachnid into a blob, if that's the difference maker, then I think that's okay. I mean, like, I think the big culprit is difficulty settings, where it's like, you think they're harmless, but they're not. Because if your game has difficulty settings, now to some extent, people are thinking about it, right? So like, you're always tempted to like lower the difficulty. Okay, depending on the game, maybe, but if like there's like one spider in there, I think it's okay. If there's just like one spider enemy, I feel like it's okay to have arachnophobia setting. You know what I mean? If it's the entire game, then yeah, you're probably right. Like, it gets to the point. Monster Hunter Wilds? Was there? I haven't played that game, but was there that many spiders? Like, I thought it was just like one area. Is it like a main enemy or something? I thought it was just like one guy. A lot of spiders. Damn, there's like, I thought that was like dinosaurs and shit. Not you know what I mean? The dinosaur adjacent as monsters. I didn't know there's that many spiders. I think difficulty settings is probably the main culprit of like options in a game detracting from the experience. Because it's like, the game is about conflict, right? Every game is about conflict to some extent. Every story is about conflict. But if you can change the nature of the conflict, it gets awkward. And it's not that bad. It's just kind of weird. Of like, if I had to like talk about the ludo-narrative of a game I experienced, right? Octopath Traveler, my character, Tressa, she was like indecisive and at some point was every class in the game because I just kept changing her class, trying to figure out what was right for her. And I think that's interesting. That's a fun ludo-narrative, right? Done well? Yeah! And I think a lot of them aren't. I think a lot of them aren't. Yeah, I agree with you. Like, that's the issue with the video, is that every point is gonna end with me being like, it depends, and being vague. And like, I don't want to make a video like that. I just think that's not interesting. I don't think that's like really insightful. In a car? Where were you driving? Did you drive? Or were you stuck in the car? Ooh, I wonder what happened. Yeah, back to the ludo-narrative thing. Like, every time you change the difficulty setting to fix a problem in a game, the ludo-narrative now becomes, my character was going through some bullshit, and then I pressed the funny button to make the game easier and to make the problem go away. Which isn't fun. Yeah, that's flaccid. That's not good. That's not the stories that people talk about when they talk about their experiences playing games, you know? Making a game, by the way. Yeah, I'll get to it. You're right. I can't help it. I can't yap and program at the same time. I can yap while playing at the same time. I want to yap, okay? Can a man yap in peace? All right, so first things I can't believe you got me to just start programming. You got me out of the hypnosis of playing the game. All right, there's definitely a block. Come on. Count equals 0. Do I already have this variable? I'm not checking. I don't care. Hello, this looks cool. Hello. Thank you. Oh, I should get the Discord thing. Oh, disable streamer mode. Discord link. Where is it? Invite people. Invite people to server. If you want to join the server and playtest the game, here. Hidden, use copy button. Please work. Oh, let's go. Pin message, immediate viewer gain. Actually, I'm confused too. Why did I gain viewers? What the heck? What are you guys watching? They love the code. All right, we have block count. I want block count to increase. Where's the draw? I need a number. Spawn time. You are not Romax anymore. There's no. There's an easy way of doing this. There probably is, and I'm stupid. You can't use code? Ah, that's fine, dude. Coding's easy. Trying to make a 2D game in Roblox? I always wondered why Roblox didn't have like a more robust system for that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? Because I feel like there's a demand for 2D games in Roblox. So, and like, I get that like, oh, it's a game about having a 3D avatar. You need to like incorporate the 3D avatar. But I feel like there's enough demand for 2D games in Roblox that they should have a feature for that, you know? The Discord thing, it glitched? Can't use the code? Oh, why not? Okay. Copy. Paste. Are these different? Bro, they're the same. Dude, I think it's on your end, dude. I have no idea. Okay, there we go. Level is zero. Spawn time is 0 because spawn time is now block count. Check destroy. Where's the number? Where are you? You. I think temp score var is the thing that goes. Yes. Okay. No, that's the Discord link. Block count plus equal temp score var. There we go. It's fine. All right. That's okay. You're a good YouTuber? Thank you. I appreciate that. I'll be honest. I've been kind of dooming on YouTube recently. I made a video yesterday. I think if you're in the Discord server, you got pinged for it. The video was really bad. the intro. Oh, wait, I want to talk about this actually. Let me pull this up. Where do I have it? I have it in finished video folder. You guys are gonna sneak peek at the video stuff I do. Finished videos. Short side area. And as it turns out, dude, why is this intro bad? Okay, so let me see. Okay, nice, that's good. What am I doing? Let me go to my videos. Most of my videos have a click-through rate of about 70%. That's pretty normal, right? My worst videos have 60% and my best videos have 80%. Dude, okay, yeah, click-through rate of my last video, 74%. That's like slightly above average. I want 80 though. Dude, guess what the click-through rate of this video was? Look at this intro. And as it turns out, it's really hard. So I added areas, but it was 40%. And normally it starts low and then it settles higher. So it probably would have settled at about like 60% or something. But oh my God, 60% click through, it's Jover. It's actually Jover. I like the intro. You know what? Screw YouTube Shorts. This intro's good. And as it turns out, I like the intro, but this intro does miserably on Shorts. It's way too slow. I think the joke isn't that funny. I think the joke is not that funny. I like the idea of it. I think the muffled speak is bad. I think the words I'm saying, like, this is my rage game, and as it turns out, it's really hard. That's not funny. That's not interesting. So it's like 2 layers. I think it's too weird. And the things I'm saying is bad. I do agree. Like the concept has potential, but the words I'm saying are really bad. Like, do you like YouTube channels that make edits? I don't know what that is. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know. But yeah, this intro sucks. It is the worst intro I've made since probably the first videos I made. Making a platformer, 3 lines of code at a time.
Day 2 of making a platformer, 3 lines. Day 2 of making a platformer, 3 lines per day, 30 characters per line. Hopefully I can fit.
Okay, no, it did better than this. This is a 40% click through. You're an edit maker? Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That sounds cool. But yeah, anyways, I can't afford, because normally with shorts, right, you're supposed to just make them. You make slop. You make as many as you can. But I can't really afford to have videos do poorly because I only have so many topics I can make videos about. And that's currently the bottleneck, right? Like I just can't afford to have a video about a topic, take up a topic and not be good, you know? So I'm going to put this one back in the oven. I'm going to redo the intro. I think the rest of the video is fine. I'm pretty confident it did above average. Make more things for topics. I've been making a lot of videos about the Tetris game. You know why. It's just, I have footage for it. I have interesting things happen. But like, if I go to the card game, like what's the last interesting thing that happened with the card game? I realized the pacing of the enemies are bad, but there's no art for the enemies, so it looks bad. Games to make, I worry. That's kind of why I made this game, the Tetris game, is because I just needed more stuff. Use important stream clips. Maybe I'd be down to give that a shot. I haven't tried it, but even then, I probably only got like 3. I should do it. There's no okay. I need to get it in my head. There is no penalty for making bad shorts. Like there's literally no opportunity cost other than like the topic, right? So I should just do it. I should. You're right. Like you're literally right. I should. I really should. But I don't because I am lazy. But I should. I am lazy. I want to change the song. Let's get this one. Slop Farm? Dude. I saw a Ludwig video on his second channel where he was looking at a YouTube video. He was reacting to a YouTube video by a Slop Farm creator. And in a month, this Slop Farm guy was making like 4K a month. And that was bad. On his good, he had multiple channels, each channel making like 10 AI videos a day. And the bad ones were making like 4K a month. And his best ones were making more. It was so... I'm unironically considering making Slop Farm content because like money and like we're low-key going in a recession right now. Do I play Roblox? I used to play Roblox. I had a ton of fun, but not anymore. You say that as a joke. You say that as a joke. But like if we're going into a recession, I want that income. I get a lot of like how would you describe sloppy farm videos? You know what they are, bro. You know what they are. It's the freaking, you look at it, Reddit post, Minecraft parkour video in the background, AI voiceover, and it's like 20 seconds long and that's it. And it's just reposted content from Reddit. The kids need to learn about Reddit, okay? The kids need to get on Reddit themselves. Because I've seen these posts before. Key jingle. I feel like if the kids went on Reddit, they would recognize the posts and they'd be like, oh wait, this is a repost from Reddit. We need to make less fun of Redditors. They still deserve to be made fun of a lot, but like less. We need the kids to get on Reddit. Okay? That's my opinion. Did it on? Smart calendar, what? I immediately don't recommend this channel. That's what I've been doing too. I want these, no, I've been low-key, if the entire post is just a Reddit post, I've been reporting them for spam. Like I want these channels taken down at this point. They suck, I hate them. I despise them. But yeah, anyways, changing the topic back to this video. I was experimental with the intro. Never again. I am never experimenting again. That's okay. The cylinder incident? I don't remember the cylinder incident. I don't know what that is. Am I stupid? I feel like I should know this, but I don't. I'm so sorry. What's the cylinder incident? Smart Calendar is the author of the cylinder incident. I'll look that up later. That sounds funny. But yeah, I think... Should I just show you guys my scripts? What's the worst that can happen? What's the worst that can happen if I show you guys my scripts? I'll be okay, right? Yeah, I'll be okay. I got 2 done. Got to redo side area. I tried making 100 videos this year, by the way. I am not doing good. Cause you a frog? That's... Do you watch ASMR? I do not. I do not watch ASMR. Claim you stole it. Oh, I can steal the Reddit threads. Do a fake out and be like, hey kid, you want to learn about game design? Warriors Wood. Game design dev fake out. Start with Reddit thread. Start with Reddit recap splop video. Do the Minecraft park myself. Gray out video. Video voice over. What am I gonna say? Hey kids, want to learn about to make games? That's the point. I mean, we skill. Oh, so we fake like what's it called? We can fake that. Oh, that's cool. So you steal the videos. I make a call out video. You guys, dude, you want compensation? You want compensation? What do you mean you want compensation, dude? What? Compensation for what, dude? I'm losing subscribers. I'm losing subscribers. I made $17 this month. What do you want? You want like 50 cents out of this? Oh, that's what you meant. Oh. Wait, why did I gain subscribers? Oh, was it because of the video I took down? Yeah, that video, okay, that video is really good. It's just a bad intro, man. It's just a bad intro. Oh, why am I losing subs? Because I made a video series about 1 pixel to 1 subscriber. And as it turns out, when you make a video series that gets people to subscribe and not care about you, they leave. They just leave after a while. So yeah, I don't mind too much. It's just a number. Like, I don't really care too much. In the end, if I make good content, I do good. That's all that matters, you know? But yeah, I think long term, the 1 sub equals 1 viewer thing was not worth it. No, it was worth it, but it's not that good because you lose the subscribers in the long run, right? Because people just like find your channel again and then leave. That's why I'm interested in the 1 subscriber. Oh, not 1 subscriber. Doing something based off the wish list of the game, because wish list juice the algo. Juicing the algo equals money. Subscribers do not loop around to money in the end, which sucks. Because in the current YouTube climate, the subscriber number is literally just a funny number you can look at. It doesn't do anything. It actually does nothing. But the Steam number. Speaking of the Steam number, guys, Steam works. No, wait, no, it's Steam. No, wait, I have to open Steam. Speaking of the Steam number, guys, did you know Polywog is on Steam and you can wishlist it right now? Please note you need to take actions to... Oh shoot, I have to do something? I'll do it later. Did you guys know you can wishlist Steam? Polywog on Steam to make the number bigger? Yeah. Anyways, this video sucked. I'm gonna have to redo that today. I want to make another video today. I need to probably start writing more videos. Yes. Oh, well, what do you mean? Oh, what happened? Did I say something bad? Oh my god, I'm sorry. This video sucked. This video did suck. What is the wording on the new one? It should be... What is extraordinary? How do I make a rage game less hard? That's it. That's it. Police. No. No, Chen. Side area and police. Let's put that back into here. Dun-dun-dun. No! It would work better. I'm just gonna not mute what I'm saying in the ambish. Pause. Less hard. Say hold less. Less hard. And then I can have a sound effect on less. Rather than a calm game. Can I steal that joke? Can I steal that joke? Oh, it's gonna be something else. It was just a wishlist thingy, lol. Oh, my bad. Perfect for a loop video? Oh, yeah, I wanted to do that. I was going to, but the footage I used for the player falling had me using the no clip. So it didn't look good. Lee's hard. Less hard. What's the rest of the script? I'll probably have the plunger sound effect. So it should be the plunger here. I have to rework this. I want to redo this joke too. It's not that funny. You never gotta keep me down. I'll allow it. Thank you. How do you make paradox? Not paradox. Paradox. I know. But every game, every rage, it does it because as it every game, you know. Here's how I like to view it. Think of the player's frustration as a bar. Goes the more invested they are. But so they're so big. Number good? No, big bar good? The more the merrier? No, Lamau. No, Lamau. If they too frustrated, they just like leave. They just like leave. Get jiggy. Make a physical bar on screen, then we stop talking about it, make it drop and make the metal pipe sound effect. Yeah, sure, why not? Metal pipe sound effect. Lamau, no. They just get, if they get too frustrated, they just leave and quit. So I added little spaces that the player can stop in a bit for a reward. But the game is about climbing, so I can't... Is this joke funny? The game is about climbing, so I can't put them in the way. So the side area was born. It's like climbing but sideways. Walking? I'll settle. Good enough. Alright, that's probably good enough for the rework. Wario's Wood. Congrats, you made Warriors look. I know this game is like Warriors Wood, but like, be real, man. Be for real. What do you mean? What do you mean? There's a Chinese in the ring. What? Dude, I don't know what you're talking about, man. I don't know what you're talking about. Should I write scripts? Nah. Dude, I'm bouncing around a lot. Block count plus equal time score bar. Let's see if that works. Oh my god, I definitely have ADHD. I just keep bouncing around different things for this game. Ugh, that's okay. Let's see if this works. I believe it's over spawn time. So if spawn time breaks, it should do the thing. That's 2, right? 2. Five, that's correct. Burn, yeah. Alright, man. 11, alright. Do I have a text thing? I do not. Okay, let's do that real quick. Text. Do what? Text. I don't like this music. Is this one good? Yeah, sure, why not? I'm so cringe? Nah, don't worry, man. It's okay. That's okay. Drop games that randomly spots Italian gibberish, apparently. I do like the Italian gibberish memes. I think they're funny. The text timer equals 0. Let's do 30. No, let's do 50. Mamma mia! The timer minus if timer. Destroy, and then it should be y minus equals. Mamma mia! Draw x y. Come on! There we go. String. What's the string again? It should be what number? What text? It should be a number. What number? Whoopsies. That Italian? I don't know Italian. I always wanted to, like, I always liked how Italian people talk with their hands, you know? Like, they use their hands to accentuate for communication. I think that's so cool. Is that just me? I think that's so cool. I wish more languages did that. Imagine if the main character of Polywog was voiced. That is another person I would have to pay. I think I would go the subversive route and give him a really deep voice, you know? And they would talk with their hands like an Italian. Voice it yourself? Nah, I know I don't got the skills for that. I don't have the skills for that. What am I doing? Ah, yes, okay. What am I doing? This thing, yeah, okay. Bubble instance underscore create underscore depth. Come on. Depth. Where's it gonna be? I don't know. X plus 50, 100. Depth. obj underscore texting. Var new text equals that. New text dot what number equals temp score var. There we go. Do you still have enter as a reset button? I have it in all my games. I like it. I'm gonna get rid of it later, but later is later. I'll do it later. There we go. It's too small. Draw unders text underscore transformed. Scale. I really want. You should tell everyone to like the stream. You guys should like the stream. Please change it. Sure. That'd be. Oh, but if you have a keypad, can't you press the button? Does that work on enter? I don't know actually. You should tell everyone to like the stream. Yeah, I mean, like it if you want to like it. It's okay. I don't really mind. Yeah, you guys should like the stream. Oh wait, if I say you guys should like the stream, does it YouTube do the thing where it lights up the like button? I love that. I actually love that feature so much. Where it lights up the like button, so you guys can find it easier. Dude, that feature makes me so happy. It's so dumb. I think it's kind of genius though, because like if you've never used YouTube before and someone tells you to press the like button, you don't know where it is, right? So like having it light up is kind of genius. It's kind of genius, you know? I do it when going to the mount. Oh, that makes sense. It's kind of genius. To subscribe? Yeah. Oh, it is. This game does use arrow keys. That makes sense. Video about that. I'm not gonna take keyboard advice from somebody who didn't know where the control was their keyboard. I was streaming. I was very nervous. Okay. I was just like, a guy, I didn't know. I didn't know. It was one time. Come on. It was one. I was just a little guy, man. Shoot. Never forget the control incident. You can like force a nature jump in this game and it's crazy if you get the timing right. I kind of don't like it. I feel like it's a little too much. I keep doing it by accident. But I feel like my... I've gotten used to doing so many weird things playing this game that playtesters just never do. It's a really bad habit. You like force a nature jump and it's crazy. So... Does it apply to everything? Yay. Alright, what am I doing? Spawn time works. That's good. What's the size? Oh yeah, the size update. I wasn't paying attention to that. 11. Sure. Okay. Scout TF2? Yeah, Scout TF2. Alright, that's good enough. What now? Yes. Score. Change the score system again. Chance of Sonar? I've never heard of that game. I'm so sorry. Answer the question, does? Does that apply? Oh, does that apply to everything? Yes. Yes, it does. It does apply to everything. Okay, what am I doing? Yes. New difficult. Dude, I don't want to make another score system, but I should. I know the current score system is bad. I should. I really should. Yeah, let's do it. No high score one time. Genocide doesn't do. Oh, I don't want to get into this. Oh my god. I gotta make a new score system. Make row, score equals whatever. Let's get rid of this thing. Score var greater than base score var. Now it should be. Let's keep this. Won't do it, proceeds to do it. Chance of Sonara's game where you fight. Oh, that thing! I think I know what you're talking about. Oh, those games are interesting. Is it a Metroidvania? Romax base minus equals 10. Is that correct? I think so. Let's make it more extreme though. Let's just quadruple this number and see what happens. Let's just see what happens. And user event creates. Where's creates? Base score. Where am I? step. Row max, user event. No, great. Row max equals 360. Starts at 60. 5, so like 10? Okay, sure. So it should instead be block count greater than block count goal. Plus equals, okay, there's, how many are there per row? There's like, what, 11, right? I don't remember. How many blocks are there per row? Eh. Don't crash, I want to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if it's 9, then it needs to be... Should it be a flat amount? It should be a flat amount. Oh, that's good. I like that. So the block goal, it's gonna be 9. So it should be like about 27 if it's 3 rows. No, it needs to be about 40. 27 times 2, so that's like 54. Yeah, it should be like 54. Because then it'd be 6 rows and you'd proc 6 times. That's interesting. Let's try that. Block count goal, user event 0, blah, blah, blah. Shake it to the max? Maybe, I don't know. Make your own language? I think so too, but I'm not a linguist, so I wouldn't be able to do it justice, I think. But it'd be fun to try it out. Let's try 27. No, isn't it 24? Okay. Plus 35, plus 35. There we go. What if I made my own coding language? I don't got that in me. I'm no good at that. I don't got that dog in me, dude. You like making games? Sick. Go get them, man. Alright, I'm definitely gonna have to reconsider what goes on the... What's it called and what doesn't. I'm pretty confident spawn time is getting cut. Like, let's think. You need level. I like level a lot. I like score. I like high score. I think high score does not go on the game at all times. I'm gonna have it here for now because it's good for YouTube shorts. Oh god, we just had the discussion about options. I'm considering an option for having the high score on the main game at all times. I kind of don't like having... No, is it good for the... What do other Tetris games do? He's probably asleep. He made a similar language. It's cool. That's sick. What the heck? Wait, he made a language? Oh my god. Do you watch anime? Heck yeah, I do. Dude, I'm Asian. I do watch anime. I'm watching Anne Shirley right now. It's based off like this Canadian kids book that was really popular in Japan because it had an adaptation by like Ghibli. It wasn't by Studio Ghibli, but it was made by the people from Studio Ghibli. Sandpon Saga? I have not. That sounds cool though. I'm weird. Okay, so I'm like a fake anime fan, or even though I used to watch a lot of anime, for the past like 5 years, to be honest, I've been slacking. I have not been watching that much. But I've been recently getting back into it, and it's been really nice. I really like the medium. It's not really a medium, it's more like a genre. I like the space. It's just nice. It's really nice. I mostly read manga though. I just went through like 8, 9, 11s because of the manga decks thing. If any of you guys are into manga, you'll know. It's medium, not a genre. Yeah, I think it's more medium than genre. But it's just animation when you think about it, right? So it's like, doesn't even count as a medium. It's like its own thing. You know what I mean though, right? Like what is it? What is it at this point? Like, does it even count as a medium? It's just animation. I don't know. It's a space. It's a space, you know? It's a place. It's a community, I guess. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. It's anime. Yeah. Whatever. But yeah, I really like it, man. I just like I really like Shonen Jump and what they do. I think it's cool that there's always like new stuff that's coming out from Jump. And like the new stuff like is an artist's vision, I guess. There's a new manga right now. Odor of the Flame. It's like this like Norse inspired fantasy thing by the author behind Red Hood. Dude, it's good. I love their art style so much, man. Does anyone here read manga? Does anyone know what I'm talking about? Dude. Face reveal when? It's my channel banner. That's my face. My friend a long time ago made that for me. Cause I think I made YouTube videos like almost a decade ago. Not a decade ago. A while ago. Like just a while ago. My friends were like, dude, you gotta make game design videos. So he made this channel banner that was a parody of Danny's channel banner. I've been using that ever since. I'm too lazy to change it though. It's got sentimental value now. Docs V2? Yeah. Okay, I think the game works. Levels? I'm at level 19 already? I don't like that. Demon Slayer? Demon Slayer good. I do like Demon Slayer. Demon Slayer good. Dogs is my name and face. I think I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. That's fine. That's fine. I know about Warhammer, but I haven't really played it. I never got into it. I just like watching the lore videos. Hello, I remember you. Mr. Mason. I saw your name before. Rainbow could find you if he tried. I think he could. Okay, the game is really weird. If you miss a block, you just die. I actually think you just die if you miss a block. I kind of like that. I think the game takes too long to skill. I think every version of the game takes too long to skill. I lost. Oh, no, I didn't. Oh my god. Okay, if you miss a block, you lose. Okay, that's I kind of don't like that. English speaking, Canadian province, name, face, Asian. He could be any of us. He could be here right now. Canadian province? Don't you mean country? Back. Hello. Hello. I'm just thinking about the game. He could be you. He could be me. He could be in the room right now. He could be any one of us. It's very rude. What am I doing now? Yeah, the game scales too fast right now. Which I don't like. in an English-speaking province. I am not in Quebec. I could be in Quebec though. Everyone in Quebec also speaks English. So I am not in Quebec. Exactly. That's not that much of a dox. That's only like a kind of a dox, right? Canadian. All right, yeah, the game scales too fast. Where's the thing? I think, okay, current scaling only applies to the row. And you end up in a situation because of that where the rows outpace the blocks and it feels pretty bad. Yeah. Yeah, so the rows outpace the blocks. So I'm pretty confident the blocks also need to, the bombs also need to scale. Yes. Yes. So what is the POW? It's called POW time, right? Yeah. Why is your name on YouTube? Long time ago, my friend made that banner for me and he's a homie, so I'm using it. Yep. That's basically it. Equals create POW timer. Because you know in Tetris, the game just gets faster. Like the entire thing gets paid. Does it mean picture? Why does your name on YouTube, does it mean picture your name on banner? My YouTube name? Oh, Lee, it's, I've said this before. It's Lees-Pic noob. I made this in grade 5, like a decade ago. Oh, over a decade ago. Then it became Lees-Pic noob. Then, no, Lees-Pic noob. Then it became Lees-Pic. Then it became Lees-Pic because I wanted to separate them. And then then I added a dash because I was like, it's not enough separation. I'm Lees-Pic. The name is really dumb. I kind of don't love it. I kind of want to change it. Again, I've changed it to pack sometimes. Sometimes this gets taken. Yeah, I don't know. It's distinct. I've been using it for everything, so I might as well keep using it. I kind of want to change it though. I kind of want to change it. But yeah, I used to be Lees-Pic noob. Lees-Pic noob. You know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? Check out on Twitter. Game. League. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? League. It's Ben Forbes, right? Yeah, Ben Hayes. Design director at League of Legends. He's following me on Twitter, so he has eyes on me. Design director at Riot Games, League of Legends. Design director at Marvel Snap. What's UW? University of Washington. Design instructor in University of Washington. This guy's sick. This guy was on Magic too? But yeah, this guy follows me. I really want to work for Riot, because then I'd be Riot Lees-Pic noob, which I think would be really funny. I would think really funny. Also, I just think it's crazy that the design director on League of Legends follows me on Twitter. He doesn't even follow that many people. He doesn't even follow that many people. I just got lucky. Work with Valve now? I'd be down. I mean, a job's a job at this point. I've applied to McDonald's. I'll take anything. I'll take anything at this point. I just need income. But yeah, what was I doing? Oh yeah, POW timer max equals create step. Where am I? Oh, you. There we go. 240. Where am I? Ah! I think I need a game speed variable. Make TF2 update? I would make a TF3, to be honest. I would make TF3. I think TF2 is at the point where if you make any changes to it, someone's gonna get mad. And I'd kind of just want to commit to a sequel. Having to make new ones? Yeah, I kind of wish I lost my account at some point so I'd commit to a new name. Lees-Pic. It's just weird. I think I would take out the S. I'd just be Lee-Pic. I think I'd take out the S. Wait, do I have the S? I don't have the S on YouTube. Do I have it on YouTube? I don't know. I do. Ah, that's okay. I do have it on YouTube. Da-da-dum. Yeah, timer speed var. Step. Timer speed var. Your Gmail. Yeah. Bridge. It's a good name. I like it. Bridge. Romax. Yeah, go back to 5 times timer speed, and I think timer speed is equal timer speed times 0.9. Let's see how this works out. So it should be 5. Let's get rid of this actually. The game just increases by 5%. Let's do 10%, make it extreme. Let's see how this works. Bum bum. Dum dum dum. Just picked it up one day. Honestly, it's a good name. I respect it. I think it's a good name. Ah, there we go. Still on level 0. Still haven't sped up yet. Come on. This takes forever. It takes so long. I think that's the next big change with this game though. Speeding up both instead of speeding up one. If I speed up one, then the game has heat death. If I speed up both, it never will. Which I think is interesting. Not level 2 yet? Got a dip? Alright, alright. If you don't come back, have a good day, man. Have a good day. Or night. I don't know what time it is for you. No! Okay, the game speeds up way too fast. The game speeds up way too fast. Ah! Okay. Horrible suggestion I made for a short? Which one was it? Let me double check. What was it again? Let me double check. What was it again? Cut language one time. I don't remember what it was, actually. I'm so sorry. Many streams ago? I remember you doing that. I don't remember what the suggestion was. What was the suggestion again? Dude, I don't remember. I guess it's unlocked. I'm gonna set block count to 0. You forgot too? Dude, I forgot too. I just remember that happening though. But I also forgot. Do a chess? I'm a chess enjoyer. Alright, here's the version of the game where both speed up and the scaling is too fast, but I just want to test faster. I just want to test faster at this point. Because if both scale faster, there should still be a heat death where the game is too hard to play. But you should always be able to outpace the heat death by playing better. You could before by doing bigger breaks, but not really. Oh my god. Leak the password to us? No, I could never. I could never. I like this channel too much. Makes me happy. Give me that. I want to get hacked like 10 years ago. Yeah, like 10 years ago or something. Okay, level 1. The game is now 10% faster. And it should get level 2? Why is it level 2? That was fast. Okay, the game is already crazy fast. Oh my god. Oh my god, the game is outpacing me already. Nice. What the heck? Dude, this is impossible. You gotta change your name? I could, but I don't wanna. Now I have a brand, dude. Okay, note to self, this game is impossible. Seal issue? Yeah. Yeah, this game's impossible now. Oh, this game's impossible. Stop. Pow timer minus minus. Why did I call it Yi? How's Frog an unrelated name? A brand? I don't know. I feel like it is a brand. Is it not a brand? How's it not a brand? Dude. The name changed to match the frog? I could be the Froggy Woggy game dev. We make froggy games in this house. No, I could never do that. I'm not making a frog game, I'm making Bee-Boo fan game. Froggy Woggy. Froggy Woggy. Yeah. Why am I jumping higher? Is that just me? I genuinely feel like I'm jumping higher. I think this is a gas leak though. I'm pretty confident it's a gas leak and it's not actually... Oh my god, the game is so much faster already. So this is the game running 20... Why is it so fast? I kind of like this. This is kind of fun. This is kind of fun. Oh, what the heck? Oh, it's way too fast. It's way too fast. This is impossible. Yes. Block count. Create step. Timer speed var. Let's try this again. I think this idea has potential though. You see it, right? Where both scale? I'm trying to see. I just want to like study how this affects the game. See how it feels. It definitely scales exponentially, which I don't like. I want things to scale linearly. What engine is this? Game Maker. The little baby Goo Goo Gaga program for kids. But it's really good, so I recommend it. So now it's at 0.81. Why is it at 0.81? I think I see the problem. It's scaling double exponentially, isn't it? Code is cursed. It works! It works and it doesn't lag. It's fine, dude. It's fine. Oh, you mean like Game Maker language code? Yeah, honestly, you're right. You're right. You're right. Game Maker is... It's a little cursed, but it makes sense. I think it's intuitive. Like, I'd rather teach Game Maker than any other programming language. It's just, like, easier. Which I like. Okay, we're already at 0.4 multiplier for some reason. I don't know why. This is insane. Oh my god. 3.5. I kind of want to keep this as a game mode, like turbo mode. I think it's funny. I lost already? Dude! How'd you come up with it? No cursor. How'd I come up with it? I was studying Sand Tetris and I'm sick with it. I'm kind of nice with it. And my brain was like, dude, I should make a game that's like Sand Tetris, but with platformer mechanics. And I'm kind of nice with it. You just make ideas. I make ideas every day. You get used to it. I don't know, man. I don't know how to describe it. Just kind of just make ideas. Ideas are fun. Why is this not working? Am I stupid? If row timer less than 0, does this trigger multiple times per frame? It is, right? This has to be triggering twice per frame. Why does this trigger twice? What? You guys are seeing that, right? Wait, give me a sec. Give me a sec. If the timer speed var equals timer whatever, if block count, oh, I see the problem. Whoopsies. Pico 8. Ooh, Pico 8's cool. I like Pico 8. I like the idea of Pico 8 of having some more restrictions. I think restrictions are cool. Ooh. Chance for explosion? Yeah, I want that. I've been wanting that feature for a while. I'll probably talk to the artist. The main thing is the artist, or it's like, I don't know if I should increase the burden on them. Maybe I'm thinking about that too much though. I should really just make the game. But I've been having a really hands-off approach to art, where I kind of just tell the artist like, here's my game, can you make art for it? And then they do. I really should be more involved, but it requires communication, which is hard. Ugh. Ugh. So many little things I gotta worry about. But I should. I should. Bomb you can throw? Yeah. I think a feature like that would be good. I can tell people want it. Okay, this is definitely normal. It's how the game should feel. I kind of like this. Like, having double scaling is kind of fun. Does suck you don't really get time to organize, though. I feel like you have too much time before. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do percentile scaling more often. I might commit to only doing percentile scaling, because then it's not exponential. I don't know why I had exponential scaling before. In hindsight, it's really dumb. Hindsight, it's really dumb. Read message outside the newest one? Oh my god, I'm sorry, let me pause. I said hi. What if we made a game where we gave ideas and you can't have any input except coding it for us? I want to do that. That would be funny. Time to work. Build soon. Dude, I'm gonna playtest your game eventually, Bridge. I've been meaning to, but I got kind of busy recently. But yeah, sorry about that, EXO, my bad. What about a little helper? I do like little guys. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. I can't help it. I'm playtesting the new mode. I'm sorry. I didn't see the message. Okay, this is way faster. I'm kind of liking this pacing though. Makes the game a lot harder. Definitely gonna commit to keeping this as a game mode, I think. Whoa, what the heck is that? What? Dude, I can't see it. Days? So I'd wait a couple days? Alright. I have a recency bias in shows. I mean, I'm reading the comments. I kind of just like, when I'm playing the game, I kind of just look over and then I see it and I just read. I kind of just assume I read all of them. I'm not used to getting a lot of messages sometimes. Cause I'm used to not getting that many messages where if I just read like the bottom 4, that's all of them. But if I get too many, then like the 5th one doesn't get looked at. Like, I think I'm just like mentally tuning out like anything past that. Okay, anything else the game needs? Anything else the game needs? Game modes probably. Oh yeah, I have bugs. Yeah, I don't know why the full screen toggle doesn't work. I genuinely have no idea. It works in Polywog. So many small things to work on. Yeah. If you were bored, you read the bottom 1? I think you're right. I think I only read the bottom 1. My bad. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. You're back? Hello, hello. I think I need to stream more often. This is fun. Can the little guy eat blocks? I don't think so. I do kind of want a little guy. I think if I get too many messages at once, my brain will see the top one or bottom one, read that one, and assume I already read the other ones. It's a bad habit. I need to definitely look up more often. It's definitely a bad habit. That's okay. Fingers hurt. What else does the game need? I need to fix those bugs. It's actually kind of bad, no way to think about it. Add text to speech? I tried adding text to speech to the game maker and it's not good. I mean, I could just do like normal text to speech, but still, I think it's funnier to do it in game maker. Oh yeah, there's no prio system. Probably should do that. No, just normal. The text to speech, very interesting. Can you press a button? Oh, that'd be cool. That would be cool. I kind of want... Dude, I'm not a good streamer. I don't know about any of this kind of stuff. Ah! It's fine. Black or rainbow block? Yeah, I've been wanting that. I really should just rip it and do it. I'll do it now. You know what? I'll do it now. Actually, I have another thing I need to do. Let me do something real quick. I'll be back. Create sprite. I'm not labeling my sprites. I'm too lazy. Import. Oh god, it's gonna dox me. How much did it dox? That's not that bad, right? Wait, is it doxing anything? It's doxing my desktop. Yeah, I don't think it doxes anything, right? Okay, I think it's good. I have these sprites which don't have faces, which I want to implement. Oh my god. Create sprites, import you. Isn't there another color? Create sprite, import. Where's the blue one? Oh, there it is. You have a queen and an ant farm? Can you name it like something regal? Name it Elizabeth. Yeah, name it Elizabeth. That's a regal ass name. Just middle center on all of them. Wait, what am I doing? You, yeah. I remember doing this. What was the order again? I'll check later. This is so jank. Why am I doing it like this? Antoinette? After the second? I'm not sure about that name. What if you named it like a dog name? Like Oreo? So you can just like talk about your pet Oreo and how much you like your pet Oreo. I think that'd be kind of funny. And then they realize, wait a minute, it's an ant. This is so dumb. Why am I manually lining this up? It's off. There's a better way of doing this in GameMaker, right? I swear to God there's a better way of doing this. I'm like 90% confident there is. I'm just too lazy to figure it out. I'm just too... Oh yeah, that's better. That's way better. You have like all four corners. That feels better. What's a species? What's the strangest thing you've added so far? To the game? I don't know. Hello, hello. 2 circles with smaller circles inside. Oh my god, someone had their 3 messages retracted. You're swearing? In my chat? Unacceptable. Unacceptable. To the game? It's a VTuber fan game, so I think it's like intrinsically kind of weird. It's probably Bibu? The VTuber. Queen Ant in the Ant Farm. Can you name my Queen Ant in the Ant Farm? Jeremy. Dude, I don't know, man. I'm not a professional namer. Dude, I don't know, man. I'm sorry. After a Pokemon. Oh. Geodude. No, Geodude sucks. It was cool. It's a cool Pokemon. Ice Cube. That's my boy. Dynamax. Dude. Oh. Do an ice move to get the face back. I love that strategy. Carkol? Ooh. Colossal? That's my boy. This is the dumbest thing I'm doing. Why am I doing this? It's gonna work. Why is it not lining up, dude? Bro. Bro, line up. It's off. It's off by a pixel? Bro, come on. This is so hard. There we go. Got it. Nice. And what's the order? The order is red, blue, green, purple, yellow. Red, blue, purple, green, yellow. There we go. Vespiquen? Nah, dude. Name that. 3D print Maison has a detail broke off? Oof. Before being fused into the... Wait, that's kind of sick, actually. Wait, that's kind of sick. Like, it broke off and fused back in? That's sick. Okay, what color is the eyes? The eyes are... this pale color. Interesting. No, it's not. Pure white. My monitor is weird. That name, you say that Pokemon for my queen in the Ant Farm. Alright. So now, let's have the blocks. Draw that sprite instead. 35. Sprite 35. And let's make him draw the eyeballs. I subscribe to your YouTube channel? Yeah, thank you. So what is it you're doing? I'm making the eyeballs. With like the eyeballs like for the guys. They don't have eyes. What if one of them stared directly at you? That would be funny. I kind of want that. I kind of like they look at Bibu. That'd be funny. Draw a sprite. So then before that you draw... That's kind of crazy. Oh my god. Because you're cute and beautiful. Thank you. Set color. What the heck's the color of this thing? There we go. Nice. Draw. Okay, and a circle. X, Y, X plus length direct. Length probably like 5. You hate making sound effects? Same. Oh my god, same. Dude, we're twinsies. Dude, we're twinsies. And false. Two twinsies. This doesn't work. Waveforms, what the heck? BFXR? Is that what you use? Are you using that? BFXR? Okay, well, the eyes are completely off. Let's try to get them dead center. VCV, that sounds sick. I don't know what that is. That sounds sick, dude. Synth software? So is BFXR like a weak version of that? BFXR? Yeah. Yeah. Plus 5. Is it too much? Yeah, these are too much. Plus 15. Oh, the eyes are too big. The X was not enough, I believe. So let's do 17. Just manually do this. Why are they all shifted to the side? How's that possible? Oh no. But you guys have seen that too, right? They're all down left. Why are they down left? That doesn't make sense. It's not centered? It's centered, right? Wait, what? Wait, what? I'll be fine, whatever. I'll figure it out. Is this close enough? It just says you put it in the stream chat in the server? Oh, I'll look into that. That's cool. I'll look into that. That's interesting. That's interesting. You guys are noticing this too, right? The left eye is in the wrong spot. Guess who's back? Hello. Hi, Mr. Mason. Draw. Just go set on their color. No. Said hi. Hello. Hi, Joel. Yeah, they're all looking down left. What? That's so weird. Why are they looking down left? Oh no, are they not centered? I don't think they're centered. Green and purple are swapped. You guys are seeing that too, right? Down left. Look at it, it's weird. Okay, it does look normal though, which is nice. Down right. God damn it, you're right! It is down right! Okay, you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Okay, let's get him in the center. Let's just, you know what I mean. Shut up. God damn it. What type of diamond art should I do? Dude, I don't know. That sounds sick though. Diamond art? Can you do an animal? Do like a dog? Got that dog in him? Maybe? I don't know. The right one is centered, but the left one isn't. The right one is plus. So it's like 16.5, I think, 15.5. Those ones clear. This would be like 13. No. There we go. So this is straightforward. I don't know why they're all 2 pixels to the side. It's kind of cursed to look at. It's kind of cursed. Oh my god. You don't like that? I don't like it either. So I can get it on a Disney cruise? Choose a diamond art for a Disney cruise? Dude, I don't know, man. I don't like that pressure. What if I'm wrong? And you don't get to go on the Disney cruise? Dude, I went on a cruise once recently. Because my family had a big vacation thing. Dude, it was sick. It was actually nice. Like, if you get it for a good price, like, it was nice. I really liked the cruise. It was fun. Yippee! Yeah, it's really cursed. Okay, well, we got the base. Alright. Let's do 7. Direction, EI angle. The Y gets the same thing, but it's Y. There we go. Let's see how this looks. Wow, that's cursed. That's really cursed. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. It's so cursed. They're just like spinning. Let's do 7, 8. They're not saying. Yeah, if you grab it, it desyncs them, right? Oh god, it's so cursed. It's so cursed. Oh, it's so cursed. It's actually so... Oh god. I'm making the eyes! Well, what's wrong? What's wrong, Bridge, huh? This is game design, okay? This is really important to work on. You don't get it. You just don't get it. You just don't get it. It's my artistic masterpiece. Masterpiece, dude. It's a masterpiece. Okay, genuine question. How is this doing for the bitrate? Is the bitrate okay? Like, is the video getting melted because of the eyes? Oh, this is not a mistake. This is art. This is art, okay? This is beauty. Shoot, keep missing him. Bitrate is fine, that's good to know. I was worried about the eyes messing with the bitrate, but if it's fine, then that's good. Should they blink? No, they should not blink. You've unlocked memories. Long forgotten dramas. This is really cursed. It's so cursed. Oh yeah, we have art. Dude, I forgot to implement this, but we have new art. Let me download it real quick. Download. Desktop. Download. I think this was the one thing I wanted to do this stream that I just forgot. Oh, I feel kind of bad. I feel kind of bad for forgetting. That's okay. Save image. Did you even read what I did? Would you consider it not a mistake? I did read it. Did I? It's not a mistake, it's a masterpiece, I'm sorry. Doesn't for sure. I think I did. I don't know. Sorry, my bad. It's the walking sprites. I kind of forgot. I'm so sorry. I kind of forgot. It's not a mistake, it's a masterpiece. I don't. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Alright. Time to import. We got walking sprites. Yeah. So this is the holding walk. Imports. Lots of things to import. Create sprite. Imports. Oh, wait. Oh, this? Yeah. I was gonna use it for YouTube Shorts, but the problem is that, what was the problem? I have one expression. I can only be happy, and I kind of need like a second expression. I think I need like 6. So I'm gonna have to commission Noshi for a few more, but I kind of want to use this guy in YouTube Shorts. I kind of want to use him in YouTube Shorts. Yeah. Okay, which ones? I should label these. I should really label these. Hold. Hold walk. Walk. This is jump. Oh god, I'm gonna have to cut this up. Jump as well. Import. I need the normal walk. Yeah, there we go. Okay. This is SBR score walk. Let's start with this one. I think it goes here, maybe? Only experience? Yeah, I only smile. I have one expression. Yeah, I do. I think, okay, so I've been studying, this is gonna be off topic. Debugging. This guy. I really like this YouTuber. He's really good. I've been studying his videos. How many expressions does he have?
What happened to the
One,
YouTube comment?
two, that's default. He has surprised. Because I just want to know, like, what is a baseline, you know? Like, how many expressions do you need to make this work? So he has default. He has surprised. Oh, you're right. Yeah. Nervous. I lied to you? I don't think it was this. It might have been this one. Cooked. YouTuber accent. No, it's like way down, right? Do not do this? It might be that. It's gonna be so obvious when I see it, right? PNG lore. One, two, three, four. Is this it? No, he has more than these. No, so this is embarrassing PNG lore, and I think... Is this it? Pinball, no. There's 7? I think there might be, yeah. It's within that ballpark. It's within that ballpark of like 7-ish. I definitely need a sad. I kind of get what you mean. We're like, I think that this, I'm conflicted. Because I know his old face is made by a friend he's not friends with anymore. A person he's not friends with anymore. Because of that, I do like the new one. Like, the new ones are growing on me. But I do agree that he needs a torso. Like, I think the new one look better, but as a floating head, it's worse. You know what I mean? Old one better. Just make new bad ones simple. I think he needs a torso. I think he needs a torso. I think he just needs a torso. He could do that. There's the meme one. I think the minimum for me though is like, yeah, because it's too high detail, right? Whereas the other one was low enough detail where it made sense. It was just floating. But the thing, I think I only need 2 more expressions. I just need like neutral, and then I need like, okay, so it's after this one. I need neutral and I need sad. Probably surprise, and I think I'm good. I think that's all I need. Greatest hater. Is it this one? Am I cooked? YouTuber accent, hallucinating, Italian, emoji lore. I know it's this one, right? I've seen it. I've seen this video. Oh, I know that guy. Dude. This is why DJs is goated. This is a video on freaking Super Eye Patch Wolf, and he somehow managed to title it YouTube's greatest hater. Dude, his title game is insane. This is the story of YouTuber's greatest hater. Like, being able to turn Eye Patch's story into this is so good. Like, dude is talented. Oh, no, not this one. No, this is that thing. So it's not that one. Not you. Not you. Is it this one? I don't think so. No, the video was funny. Dude, this guy's so good at making stories. God dang. Or identifying. what the story is, you know? Oh, this one! Yeah! Show all of them, show all of them. Don't look too good. Does he not cycle through all of them? Destroyed my own YouTube channel. I don't regret it. It was kind of hype. Yeah, okay, so he has default, smile, nervous. That's 3. Meme, smiling, meme 1. That's 4. 5. So he's like 5 at least. Then he has that one. That's like 6. He has more. He has the epic. He has like the pog face. Another weirded out one. It's 7, 8, 9. Wait, is he actually pulling this off with only 9, 10? Does he pull this off with only 10 expressions? No, 11? So it's like 11 or 12? The video before that one? That was a while. You said that a while ago, didn't you? I was not looking. I'm sorry. You mean this one? I'm okay. I'm okay. You said that a while ago. I was too busy looking for the video. I'm sorry. Minecraft Yowie? The one I was just watching? Oh, he has this expression. It's like 11, 12? So is this? Or the one before that? Dude, I don't know anymore. I'm confused now. Do this or else. Okay, but yeah. Anyways, whatever. I don't think I need the same number of expressions, but I probably need a sad and a surprised and a pog. And I think I'm good. Is what I would conveying. Because I just, I don't know. That was trying to convey. Okay, so now I need to program it. So if you're moving, you switch to walk. I'm tired. Oh my god. How do you do this? It's in step event. I'm JJ top. If health ID equals no one, hold. If key left does not equal no. Key left. Add a hamburger skin, maybe. Or the one before that one then? Dude, I don't know, man. Plus. Wait, is it negative key left? No, it's just key left, you're right, okay. SPR underscore walk. This one, hold walk. Hold walk. There we go. And now your hold. Let's see if this works. Please, I want the walking animation. Please, 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 please. It's a little cursed. Oh, I'm floating. Oh. Okay, it's a little off, but we got it. We got it. So walk is too high, low. Let's get up here. It's really like there. Let's just put it in the same spot. Walk hold needs to also be about here-ish. Hold goes there. Like there-ish, I think. Oh my god. It's too high now. I think it's cute. I like it. It's a cute animation. Am I growing? You see that, right? I get wider. I'm getting wide. thick mugman glitch? Yeah. I'm thick. I'll talk to Under about that. That's okay. Okay. So I need uphold, SPR jump, create sprite. Weird? Yeah, that's okay. SPR up this import. Where's jump? Where's jump? Jump. There we go. This SPR up. Up will just be. Just want to get this done quickly. Up. What are you? You're jumping. Yep. Create sprite. SBR up to down. I think it's something to do with the animation stopping midway, so squash and just. Yeah. Definitely something like that. That's okay. We can get it fixed. We can get it fixed. It's okay. And I think get rid of you. Get rid of you. Wait, what? This is a landing animation. Oh, so it's just uphold? Oh, wait. So I don't need that. It's okay. Let's get rid of you. So this is a landing animation. Okay. Uphold. Now land. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. There we go. Can I afford a landing animation? I don't want to waste these frames, but I don't think I need them. I don't know how that works. How would that work? I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out later. See if this works. Yeah, I think you're right about that. It's okay. I think it's okay. If how does this work again? How did I do it in Polywog? Isn't it if you're grounded? I think game checks if you're grounded. If you're grounded. Yeah, okay. If you jump, if you're grounded. So let's just do it there. Where's grounded? Oh, brain hurt. Oh, brain hurt. Oh. Grounded. Where's grounded? Oh, there it is. If not grounded. Sprite index equals SBR underscore up. And sprite underscore index does not equal SBR underscore jump. When I press key jump, come on. Up, animation done, other animation ends. If sprite index equals up, then no, it's jump. Jump. Sprite index equals up. There we go. Who's ground dead? Who knows, man? Is talking. I can't. It's my keyboard's weird, but I just been leaving it in because it makes me happy. Oh wait. Whoops. Whoopsies. Is he an actor? What am I doing? Oh yeah, these gotta get changed. Jump. You're way too high. Whoopsies. Creep out here. Up also goes about here. In addition, I think jump is... Let's get rid of this frame. Also, this animation's way too fast, right? Let's see. Oh, God, I punched the microphone. Sorry. It's not working. Grounded. Where is it? Am I lost? Where am I? Where am I? There it is. Does not equal SBR jump. What's going on? Casually teleports to the ground. Equals 0. Oh, I see the issue. Yeah, I probably should do it like this. Yeah, there we go. Is that high? Oh, what language am I using? He's in that movie coming now. Yeah, what language? I'm using Game Maker language. It's easy. It's for Game Maker. She's doing the animation. It's so fast. Why is it so fast? This is it. You? Dude, what's wrong with Game Maker, man? It's easy and it's good. That's all that matters. Oh, I see the issue. I see what it is. That's alright. If you don't like it, you don't like it. That's whatever. I'm too lazy. I can use Python, kinda. Bullshit starter pop on loop for the last half an hour. Yeah. Dude, sound effects suck. Because I have my friend who's a musician and normally makes music for my games. I've been trying to get them into sound design just so I don't have to do it myself. I want them to get into sound design so bad. You point. Why does jumping not work? Why does jumping not work? I genuinely have no idea. And then try that out in game. First jump in real life, then try that out in game. I don't want to jump in real life. Oh, my legs are sore. Oh my god. Oy. Sprite index equals jump. Correct. Oh, I'm doing up. It should be jump. I'm stupid. Brain small. Funny Easter egg? Hit me. Hit me with the Easter egg. I want to see it. Okay, it's working. Not for these, though. VSP equals negative. VSP equals negative. Why is this one not working? Interesting. Sprite jump. Why does a grounded jump not work? Interesting. What's going on? But coin flip seems full clear. Konami code style Easter egg? I'll consider something like that. Oh, I think it's interesting. I always liked secrets. I always liked that kind of stuff. Okay, back to work. Why is it not working? Yeah. Is the character immediately touching the ground? Sprite cranberry? Why isn't this working? Come on. Why is it? What's crazy? It's working for the wall jump. What's even different? Jump buffer, jump charge, grounded. It's a game over. Crashing? I know I can make it crash. Sprite Cranberry. I do like Sprite Cranberry. I actually think it's really good. Game Maker has a way you can force it to crash. You can just press a thing. You can just do a function. I genuinely have no idea why this is not working. New plan. New plan. Just get rid of this. Let's see if this works. Streaming more things? I'm down. Because I play games, so part of me is like, maybe I should just stream some of the stuff I play anyways. Okay, it does work, but something about the grounded jump causes it to override, and it's these. Sprite Cranberry, insane amount of points. What if you played some of this version, then you played some of the versions you have on itch right now? I do have the older version. Oh, it's okay. I don't know. Give me a sec. What? Grounded, 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 grounded. I jump. Not grounded, not grounded, not grounded. What? What's going on? So it's not like a flickering. I mean, maybe it is. Let me check. Let's check that. Oh, yeah. Grounded. 1. No, 0. There's 2 of me. There's 2 of me. You see, it starts at 1, goes to 0. Oh my god, this is so frustrating. Mitosis. Maybe? I don't know. That's all I got. Alright, got it working, kinda. I think it's buggy, but it does work. Okay, it works. Could you have a secret code required something like typing out Lees-Pic or Pullywug to activate an Easter egg? Add a second player? When it comes to the Easter egg, yeah, maybe. Not sure though. Add a second player? Dude, if I could do multiplayer, I would, but I cannot because it is hard. But that would be sick. I feel bad. I don't think I can use these frames. Jump held, create sprite, import. We are two of the same person. We are two of the same person. You guys are doing mitosis? What the heck? See if this works. It's not working. Come on. Whoopsies. Got that flipped. What are you guys doing? Oh my god, you guys are doing mitosis. They're splitting. There we go. Tritosis. Tritosis. Oh my god. There we go. What are you guys doing? Oh my god, what is this bug? What the hell is it? What the heck is going on? Alright, next thing to fix when you throw. Oh, trying to see a Chinese world record at 3 a.m. They play the what? Theoretical perfect game? Cheese. You're cured! Oh! What if you had the eyes rotate at different speeds? I'll figure out the eyes later. Right now, I just want to get the sprites working. If grounded, sprite underscore index equals SPR underscore Bibu? The shadow, yeah. Like 8 p.m. seeming so high. Oh. Okay, the sprites work. They're a little weird, a little janky, but we can fix that later. Got them working. How do you guys like the sprites? How do you guys feel about them? They kind of wobble. Very sprite. That's good to know. It's good to know. You're out of sync. Out of sync with what? Poyo? That's good to know. Thank you. Okay, well. I think I'm tired in EP. I'm tired in EP. I've been streaming for a bit. But thank you guys for showing up. I appreciate it a lot. I think I'm gonna go lie down and be tired. Wait, I am waiting. This is my nap time you're intruding on. Every second I'm waiting is time. I can read the message. There should be a wall jump sprite. Oh yeah, there should. It's on the list. I didn't see that. I didn't see that message again, dude. I'm actually blind. Frick. But yeah, it's on the list of sprites I want. Don't worry. You'll be in there. Very cool. Okay, cool. All right. Well, anyways, thanks for showing up, guys. I appreciate it a lot.